Good morning, everyone. Adam here at Canyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning I am going to be privileged and honored to show you a beautiful 1936 Ford pickup truck. Now this truck is absolutely 100% beautiful. This thing was just restored. It was just completed in 2023. 6.2 LS3 engine under the hood, 6-speed automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, 4-wheel disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors. This truck is sitting on a TCI aftermarket frame, 4-link rear suspension, independent front suspension, candy blue metallic House of Colors paint, beautiful American racing wheels, BF Goodrich Radial TA Advantage tires. This thing is absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Vintage heat and air conditioning, Spectra intake, headers. This is a quality build. $150,000 plus to build this truck. Custom red leather interior. The truck is gorgeous, everyone. Everything on this truck is new. Headlight buckets, the chrome, door handles, one-piece windshield. This thing is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Check out the interior. All brand new glass. Radio up above there. LED dome light. Tilt steering column. Power windows. Got electronic electronic parking brake on this truck. 145 miles since completion. Just a gorgeous truck. Retro sound, radio. Whew, it's chilly out today. Kick panel speakers down below there. And you want to talk about something that's got a lot of power and runs good. This thing is really, really fun to drive. Brand new wooden bed, aluminum stainless slats, rear mounted fuel tank. Paint and body in this truck is gorgeous. 145 miles since completion. There's really not much else to say about this beautiful truck. The full description will be on my website. There's a list a mile long. Well, might be exaggerating with a mile, but there's a huge list of everything that was done to this truck. You can see it's got a adjustable ride tech on it. It's like the best of the best parts you can put on this truck is what they did. Shut this hood real quick. There's that beautiful LS3. Hood shut, grill, headlight buckets. I'll have all the pictures of this truck on my website here shortly. This thing, it gets it. Canyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. There's the tires burning. Pretty badass truck. Canyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.canyonauto.com. I hope you all have a great day today. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Please follow us on our YouTube channel, Canyon Classics. That way you never miss another great quality collector vehicle. And I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.